Welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got a swimming school and you're looking for a professional, affordable website, you certainly are in the right space today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a website on the Marty Sites platform. If you aren't familiar with the service yet, we built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for an affordable price. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, swimming school. There it is over there. There's also a baby swimming school if you specialize in that. I'm now going to go ahead and tell Marty Sites a few basic details about my company so it can generate a simple website for us. Let's pop in our city and our state or region over here, and it doesn't quite matter where in the world your business is located. You can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. And look at that, Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my business in not even a minute with the information I've just put in. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you as a guideline. Of course, we've also pre-selected all the images. They are really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images of your swimming students in action, maybe competing in professional races. You want to showcase it on your website, maybe some of your facilities. Make some changes to that content. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding at all. You don't need to be a professional website developer or possess any of those skills. And you certainly don't need to hire someone to help you with this either. Even if you're not that tech savvy, you can do it all yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here, and I want to make sure that email address is visible. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box, show email on site. Awesome. Let's pop our phone number in, and that is click to call, by the way. Our physical location, our street address. When your website is live, your customers can click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps to get directions. Under social links, I'm going to go ahead and pop in my social media platforms my business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top of your website as well as the bottom to encourage your customers to give you a follow on social media. I'm now going to go ahead and update my logo to make my website look even more professional and customized to my business. Once the logo's been uploaded, you can click on the little pencil to crop it, rotate, add filters, zoom in. Otherwise, click on save and you can make the logo bigger and smaller on the right under customize logo. If you want to change the colors that were pre-selected for you, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint buckets on the bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. That looks fantastic. It's coming together so nicely. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath. Head on over to update image. If there's an image in that section, you can browse your device and upload your own. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from. They're all completely free to use. You do need to play around with the keywords a little bit and search for various keywords and see what pops up that is suitable for your website. Under update content, you can change the content that was pre-written to suit your needs. Button currently says view swimming rates. You can amend that, add different text, and link the buttons to various places. You can link to an action and other websites if need be. Otherwise, upload a PDF file, which is a great way to upload your rates and different prices for swimming lessons, packages, so your customers can easily find it on your website. And the last section is where your customers can easily reach out to you with their queries or questions. All they need to do is put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified via a registered email that you have a new lead from this form. You can also find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on the Connect Your Domain button at the bottom. Say I already have a domain. Otherwise, click on I want a new domain, because you can now purchase your domain via the Marty Sites platform to make your website look even more professional and customized. In your Marty dashboard is where you'll find the leads from that form at the bottom I've just shown you. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your swimming school. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.